Alright, here we go guys. Use the microwave. Cooking some beans. Counting down. See it. Counting down. 52, 51, 50. Yep. See the light flash? See the light going on? You know what it means? It's working. Yep. It's a GE. It's a profile. It's a sensor microwave. That's a nice microwave oven right there. Yep. See the light. And right behind the light, it's the heat, whatever you call that. There's the heat. And it waves it through the it cooks. It heats up. So that's how it works. It heats up, and there's a fan back there. You get a fan going. Alright. You know, Alex, it's so good knowing how to work the microwave for me. Thank you. You know I'm smart, right?
You are very smart. You know more about those appliances than I do.
You did so good knowing how to work the microwave, right?
Excuse me, let me grab a spoon.
You did so good knowing how to work. They showed me how to work the microwave. Here's Alex on video. Say hello.
Hello.
Alright, shut the door. And that's it.